Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start by making a safe copy, so duplicate the background layer right away. This preserves the original. Once done, open the Generative Fill panel so you can access prompts and controls. Next, make a clean selection around the subject or background you want to replace with the lasso or object selection tool. You want a tight edge, but allow a few pixels for blending. This first preparation speeds the creative loop and prevents irreversible changes. Now you'll craft the prompt and run Generative Fill. Describe the background's lighting, perspective, and style, and include specific color or mood cues so the AI matches your subject. Make sure to add exclusions if needed. For example, specify no people or no text to avoid artifacts. After generating, examine the variants and use the native mask brush to clean border artifacts and preserve hair or fine details. This iterative refine step ensures realistic integration. Finish by matching tones and shadows so the new background reads as natural. Add curves, color balance, and a subtle global vignette if needed. Use blend modes to integrate light. Once done, clean remaining seams with the clone stamp or healing brush at low opacity for texture continuity. If you see strange artifacts or mismatched perspective, don't panic. Rerun Generative Fill with a tighter selection, slightly different wording, or a different seed. That troubleshooting tip saves you time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.